Welcome back, guys. It's great to have you all here. I hope everybody's doing okay. So basically, I have this friend of mine. His name is MKII. He lives in Hawaii, and he is a guest entertainer for Royal Caribbean. And I've had the pleasure of working with him on his show over the past 2 years on various different cruise ships, and we've become very good friends. And basically, instead of sitting around and waiting for his next job opportunity to come along, we've been all kind of out of a job since this whole pandemic began. He's been taking his show that he would normally do for a live audience on a cruise ship, and he's kind of packaged it together and evolved it and used his incredible talents to convert it into something that works on a live stream setup, on a live show online. So it's really, really fun. I've been calling into the show over the last couple months. He usually does this weekly, and it is a ton of fun. It's a total riot. It is adults only. It's 18 plus, so definitely no kids allowed. It's adult humor. It's kind of raunchy sometimes, but it is a ton of fun. So that is happening this Saturday in about 12 hours at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, 6 o'clock Pacific Time. And I'll put a link down to his channel in the description of this video, but I highly recommend you at least come check out the show. It's going to be a ton of fun. And yeah, I hope you guys come and see us. I'm going to be there. I'm going to call in a couple times and show people around the ship, and it's just going to be a ton of fun. There's music and comedy and just wild shenanigans. It is insane and awesome, and it's a great break from the craziness that is the world right now, if anything else. So, if that doesn't sound like your cup of tea, you don't have any obligation to come over, of course. Only come if you want to. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I hope to see you there, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a good one.